I have a dream to fly. So join me for my first flight ever. We will be flying from the Cape Town International Airport to Dubai International Airport. And from Dubai we will fly to Bangkok, where we will land at the Suvarnabhumi International Airport.
Good day Internet, welcome back to the channel. Well, we're on our way to travel again, and this time we're going to Bangkok for the
5th time.
And the reason that we're going back to Bangkok is a special event because our baby daughter Anushka is turning 21, and we've decided that instead of having a party here locally, she's going to take her on a 10 days adventure to Bangkok. We will also be joined by our two daughters Milani and Leonie. Another thing is, this is the first time ever that Anushka will be flying, and that is the flight to Bangkok, and of course her first time overseas. So let the journey begin. Okay, we are picked up by Leap 5 airport shuttle, and it's going to take us to the airport. The name and the telephone number. Okay.
Let's do this.
Say your goodbyes.
Oh, it's black for you and Bobby. So.
You don't consider it.
Okay, so we've arrived here at the airport. Leap 5 shuttle service has just dropped us off, and we're meeting Milani and Leonie at the airport. Hello Milani, hello Leonie. With the bags, they're ready to go fly. So like always, the first thing that we do is to do a baggage wrap, just to keep our suitcase more secure against theft and breakages, of course, because I can handle it pretty rough on the airplane. So the baggage is cash free. You pay by debit card, it's 100 Rand per bag. The gate is opened, and we're going to check in here for Emirates. Standing in line, we've already checked in online, so I think it's going to be pretty quick. The line is not too busy. Okay, we've done all the checks, and we're sitting at the restaurant here at the departing lounge, waiting for the time to board our plane. So we're just going to have a snack before we get on the plane. Okay, this is our Boeing standing on the apron, and we will be boarding it soon. This is Emirates, and it's a Boeing 777-300. Okay, finally the time to board the plane. We're in line. That's it, thank you. We're all together. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
اتركوا جميع أمتعتكم واتبعوا الإضاءة على أرضية الممر. الوصول إلى أقرب مخرج. اخلعوا الأحذية ذات الكعب العالي عند استخدام زلاجة إخلاء الطائرة.
نشكركم على انتظاركم. Oh, that's so awesome! I've seen you fit. Oh, you cool. Ek weet nie wat ek afneem nie, maar Ek voel so cool. Ek sien niks. Ek sien Tafelberg. I like circle. Is daar 'n highway? It's a square is daar. I like circle. What? Welcome to Dubai.
In Dubai station, on our way to our gate. It's quite a distance to go, so you need to take the train. Okay, this is a train here. You've got to take it to Dubai to get to your gate. Yeah, we need to go to gate number 822 and it's quite a walk and a train ride up and down floors. Looks like it's going to take us about an hour to get from the one gate to the other. Oh, we're going to go up the escalator again. Look at the size of this lift. Huge lifts going up and down here. Just look at the size of this lift. Okay, we're together. Thank you.
Great. To the first row.
Thank you. En so dis alles economies. Hele ding is onder economy. So, it looks like a fairly nearby. It smells very nice.
So, We have now boarded our second flight and we are finally on our way to Bangkok.
Okay, we've just boarded the all-new A380-800 Airbus. This is a double-story, huge aircraft. I must say, first of all, that the leg room is much more and than the 777-300, and the seats are pretty much bigger.
Much bigger and the packing space.
Yeah, packing
Look at all the space for the bags.
Yeah, so this is really a nice aircraft. Still busy boarding, people are still getting on, and then we'll be on our way to Bangkok. This is the cabin.
Yay! Hy het nogals trekkrag hoor. Hy trek soos 'n rollercoaster. Imagine jy staan hier. Wee, gaan hier verby. Hy lyk stadig hier, maar hier sien jy net cute. Daar sien jy nie veel nie. Het voelt baie lekker, ek love it. Ek sê ook daai. Hy sit daar. We finally made it. Welcome to Bangkok.